So here we are with the puppies. This is Remington and Ruger's litter. And they are so playful. They like those blankets. Oh. I've got Peanut in here, and he's my little brown collar boy. He's grown quite a bit since our last video, so he wanted to get down and play with everybody now. As you can see, he's a little eager. But this is Peanut. This is brown collar boy. I'm gonna put him down with him. And then I have lime green collar boy. Come here. Oh, come on. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Boy. All right. This is lime green collar boy. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. They've grown so much. Yes, they're so sweet. Yeah. Oh, I know. This litter is all spoken for, but we do have girls available on our other litter. So if you are looking for a girl, we do have girls available on the next litter. This is purple collar girl. Aw, they're gorgeous. I know. They're so sweet. They are just so much fun. Come here, come here. Come here, sweetie. Ah, there you are, sweetheart. There you are, yes. This is pink collar girl. Now look. Come on, look at daddy. Oh, there you are. So cute. Oh, they're just so fun. And then I've got yellow collar girl. What are you doing, Pinky? Huh? Lee.
She's an acrobat.
Yeah, she was trying to get her. Funny. And then this is yellow collar girl. So cute. But they are just so much fun, very playful at this stage. So this weekend is our puppy pick process, and so people will be picking up their puppies on the 21st. I am asking, because of the coronavirus issues and everything, that you limit it to 2 people per family, preferably. And then we also would like, you know, to try to control things as much as we can. So just, you know, wanting to make sure everybody is staying healthy and that we're following all of the rules. So the 21st is the puppy pick process. Shipping, I'm going to try for Tuesday. So if your puppy's being shipped, I am planning on Tuesday. Slow down, little girl. Where are you going so fast? Where are you going? Peanut. He thinks he's the little boss. Peanut. They're so funny though. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Huh? What is that? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, so funny. Hi, sweetie. But this is our 3 girls, and I added 2 boys to this video just to try to split it up into 2 videos. But they love playtime and getting out and playing and everything. They're really, really cute puppies though. Just so sweet. I like to look at Pink's with this little bear over here. Aw. What are you doing? They are funny. Hi, Pinky. Hi. You're so how sweet you are. Oh, yes. You're sweet girl. Yes, you are. Peanut, stop bossing. Peanut, stop bossing. He thinks he's the boss. I'm telling you, he is so funny. You think you're a boss of him, don't you? Yes. Yes, you do. But he has grown so much since the last video. He's just really starting to get size, you know, height and everything. Oh my goodness. Listen, boss. Listen, bossy. Woo! Be careful. Oh. So this is Remington Ruger's litter. Awesome litter to get onto. Our AKC pedigrees and everything are on the website. They have excellent hunting bloodlines and show. Really, really beautiful dogs. Great conformation, just gorgeous. And Peanut here, he was my little guy, and he's starting to grow on me now. You're getting big, aren't you? You gonna get down there? enjoying it. So, if you are interested in a puppy on our next litter, give me a call at 812-709-1839. And my name is Terry Young with White River Kennels. Oh my gosh.
Do
You are too tough.
need to go over the face mask and
Yeah.
glove issue?
Yeah, we are going to try to, we've got gloves and everything for everyone who's handling the puppies to wear. So we are going to try to, do the gloves and the mask. And I do have the little booty things for shoes as well. I just want to try to protect everybody and the puppies as much as possible. And so if you have any questions in reference to that, or if you have any questions at all about picking up your puppy or your payment, I did send out invoices, and I am asking just for the time-wise, if you have not paid your invoice, either bring cash or please try to pay your invoice in advance if possible. But this is our litter of Vizsla puppies, and again, if you have questions, just give me a call at 812-709. I got you again. 1839. 812-709-1839. And this is our beautiful babies from Remington and Ruger's litter. Thank you.